Hari Om. Learning Sanskrit is all about learning tables. Reading, writing, and arithmetic are the three R's to be acquired to become learned. A child cultivates arithmetic skills by learning the multiplication tables. There is a rhythm that goes with the recitation of the multiplication tables. Beginning of learning Sanskrit should also be with memorizing and reciting Shabdarupavalyaha, which are declensions, subanta, of root words, pratipadikani, which may be nouns, namani, pronouns, sarvanamani, adjectives, visheshana. B. Dhaturupavalya, which are conjugations, tingantaha, of verbal roots, dhatava. Believe me, these Shabdarupavalyaha and Dhaturupavalyaha are much like the multiplication tables, are crisper and very rhythmic. Once one gets the hang of it, one would readily start enjoying them. All learning should be in a joyous mood, right? I like the names play school, kindergarten. How I wish that all learning, even beyond the age of 5 or 6, also would be play school learning. Much of learning Sanskrit can be done that way. Learning Sanskrit is rhythmic ad infinitum. The entire Mahabharatam, though a historical chronicle of a dynasty, is 100,000 verses. Across Sanskrit literature, there are millions, maybe billions of verses, especially the Subhashita, good sayings. The renowned text Lilavati by Bhaskaracharya, a book of mathematics, is also verses. The Ayurveda texts of healthy living are also verses. The verses in Sanskrit are not just for reading, they merit to be memorized. How much can or would you memorize? In his prayer, Pavani Bhiksha, Sant Ramdas says, Bahuta Pathantara Dere Ram. Hey Ram, give me capacity of memorizing and recitation ad infinitum. May we start with learning and memorizing Shabdarupavalya and Dhaturupavalya. For learning Shabdarupavalya for myself, I have chosen some 27 vowel ending, Swaranta or Ajanta root words, Pratipadikani. The list is Ramavana Eka Sarva, Ramamala Uttara, Harimatiwari Dvitri, Nadi Stri Lakshmi, Bhanu Madhudhenu, Chamu Vadhu, Nru Pitru Matru Kartru, Rai Go Now. The logic of parenthesis is obvious, right? The ending vowels are Ramavana Eka Sarva, O, Ramamala Uttara, A, Harimatiwari Dvitri, I, Nadi Stri Lakshmi, E, Bhanu Madhudhenu, U, Chamu Vadhu, U, Nrupitru Matru Kartru, Ru, Rai, I, Go, O, Now, Au. So the ending vowels are A, I, E, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au, respectively. The three with asterisk mark, Eka, Sarva, Kartru, are Sarva is pronoun, Eka is a Sarvanamikam Visheshanam. So Sarvanamani and or adjectives, Kartru is adjective, Visheshana, and hence have tables in all three genders, Trishulingeshu, Pullingam, Strilingam, Napusakalingam. So the total number of tables of vowel ending Swaranta or Ajanta root words Pratipadikani becomes 33. You could get the tables at https://ashtadhyayi.com/shabda. I shall give the link in the description box. I am sure you will copy them for yourself, memorize, and learn to recite them verbatim. I shall detail my selection of consonant ending Vyanjananta or Halanta Pratipadikani separately. Shubhamastu.